Enabling two-factor authentication on your Chime account adds an extra layer of security to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Chime accounts. Open the Chime app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu, usually found in your Profile or Account section. Look for the option labeled Security or Security Settings. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. This may be listed as two-step verification or something similar. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be prompted to select a method for receiving your verification code. Options typically include SMS, text message, or an authentication app. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your preferred method, follow the prompts to verify your choice. Enter the code sent to you via your chosen method and save your changes to enable two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Chime account and protect your financial information. Remember to keep your verification method secure and up to date.